Hi, I'm Becky Johnson with Sweetheart Quilt Design Company, and I'm really excited to show you these trimming rulers. They're called slotted trimmers, and I got these at Sew Downtown, which is my local quilt shop, and you can find the website down below the video. But these are a great way if you need to trim your half square triangles down. So what I've done here, I cut my squares, drew a line, stitched my scant 1/4 inch on either side, and then cut them in half. So on this, the trimmer is marked, and it has, like, this is 2-inch unfinished, so 1.5 inch finished, and it works its way down. So on this one, I'm going to make them 4-inch unfinished, so that'll be 3.5 inches finished. So I've lined up this dotted line that looks like stitching with my stitching. Then I'm going to trim both sides of this. And it doesn't have to be lined up perfectly. It's the equivalent of trimming all 4 sides. And then it's got these little slots on the side here. And you can slide your rotary cutter in there and trim off your dog ears at the same time. Sorry. Okay, so let me line this back up again. And then I'm going to go ahead and slide my rotary cutter in like that. Voila, dog ears are gone. I can press this open and I've got my perfectly squared half square triangle. Now this one works for the even or the whole number unfinished, half number finished. And this one works the opposite. This is like 3.5 unfinished and 3 inches finished, but it works the same way. I'm just going to go ahead and trim both sides and then run my rotary cutter into the slots. And again, I have my perfectly trimmed half square triangles. You can also trim up 1/4 square triangles. I didn't make up a sample with them, but it's got a nice line that goes down the center that you can line up on the previous seam with that. Okay, so have fun with that, and you can look down at the bottom and see where to get them, and please like us and subscribe. Talk to you soon. Thanks.